How do you fit an entire country onto a single piece of paper? Or build a tiny, perfect model of a skyscraper? The answer is a mathematical secret code called a scale factor. A scale is simply a ratio that connects a drawing to the real thing. You'll often see it as a word scale, which is easy. 1 centimeter represents 10 kilometers. But the scientific version, a ratio scale like 1 to 100,000, has one critical rule. The units on both sides must be the same. So 1 centimeter on your map equals 100,000 centimeters in real life. A quick conversion shows that's exactly 1 kilometer. Once you know the scale, finding a real distance is just multiplication. If the distance between two airports on your map is 12 centimeters and the scale is 1 centimeter equals 50 kilometers, you just multiply. 12 times 50 gives you the real flight distance, 600 kilometers. But here's the clever trap. Scale factors apply to every dimension. If you use a scale factor of 2 to double the sides of a square, you might think the area just doubles. It doesn't. Because you've doubled the length and the width, the new area is actually 4 times bigger. This is why most maps include a visual scale bar. If you print a map and accidentally shrink it, a written number like 1 to 100,000 becomes wrong. But a scale bar shrinks right along with the map, so it always stays accurate. It's a visual ruler that never lies. From planning a road trip to designing a model car, scale factors are the essential bridge between our small representations and the vast world around us, allowing us to shrink reality to a size we can finally understand.